Okay, I'm out here. You got my man KP from Go Damond Detail showing you his work, what he do and how he do it. You know what I mean? So make sure y'all go follow his page, Gold Damond Detail. So I'm showing you right now what he doing, then I'm gonna show you the after. You know what I mean? Tell them what you do and tell them where to find you at.
Alright, well, this is Go Damond Detail. You can find me at www.godamonddetail.com. We have quality service. We bring it to your door. You can stay in the house while you do your thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour your car. Showroom ready again, no problem.
So let them know where they can contact you at.
They can contact me at www.godamonddetail.com. Same thing with the Facebook, same thing with Instagram. The number, if you want to call me directly, have any questions about pricing, 215-617-6932.
Give them that number one more time.
215-617-6932. Ask for KP.
KP, let's go.